In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your site progress. This will be a short and simple walkthrough, but it's an important habit to build, especially if you're working on a website design, editing content, or making layout changes that you don't want to lose. As you work on your site, most builders and editors will not automatically save every single change in real time. That means if your browser freezes, your computer restarts, or you accidentally close the tab, anything that hasn't been saved could be lost. To avoid that, you'll want to save regularly as you go. Here's what you need to do. Look toward the top of your screen, specifically in the upper right-hand area of your site editor. You should see a button labeled Save. In many editors, this button may stand out with a different color or a simple icon, but the key thing is that it will be located above your main editing area on the right side. Whenever you've made a change you're happy with, move your cursor up to that Save button and click on it. After you click, your changes are stored, so the latest version of your site is safely kept. Some platforms will briefly show a small confirmation message, like Changes Saved or All Changes are saved, usually near the button or at the bottom of the window. If you see a message like that, it's a good sign that everything you've done up to that point is secure. Make it a habit to do this often. For example, save after you finish editing a section of text, after you adjust images, or after you tweak settings like colors, fonts, or layouts. Frequent saving reduces the risk of losing work and also makes it easier to roll back to a version you know was working properly. If you don't immediately see the Save button, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the top right area of the editor is fully visible. On some smaller screens or mobile devices, the Save option might be tucked into a menu in that same upper right corner, but it will still be located above your main content. That's all there is to it. Whenever